we got another detail for you. We're doing fireside, hearth, and home shop. We're gonna be doing an exterior. We're probably gonna hit it with some stars and stripes. They're not really too focused on the outside, but the inside, we're gonna show you guys that in a second. They want that deep cleaned and smelling good as well.
Fireside, shout out to them for letting us do it. They go to Murphy, Blue Ridge, Georgia, stuff like that. They work on gas salts and stuff like that. So shout out to them. If you're looking for anything related to that, go look them up. But as you can tell on the inside, it's pretty dirty. So we got our business cut out for us, and you'll see it in the video. What do you think we should start today, Mike?
All right, guys.
Guys, you can tell one of those is a Bronco actually.
Really?
And he just soaked the inside and unplugged it.
Really?
And all the water drained out. Just all the floor.
Yeah, you're gonna have to use that steamer over here too, Levi.
Vacuum, dirt off now. Wipe down all the protectant.
Looking good. is our first pass. We're getting everything clean as we can, and we're gonna go over with some protectant, hit some spots we missed one more time, start hitting the seats, and hopefully get this inside pretty much finished up.
Up on the inside of this. It took us a little bit. It's pretty dirty, as you can tell in the video, but we got the new car smell sitting in there, you know, baking up, you know, putting that smell and that odor out. That's what the customer was most worried about. So we're going to hit it a couple times with it. Hopefully it eliminates all the smells. If not, we can bust out the ozone generator and let it do its thing.
We're starting on the outside. You guys just seen the clips of the interior. We're gonna hit it with the stars and stripes, and then hopefully we've got a lot of brake dust and buildup on these rims. I'm really curious, without touching these rims, how well the stars and stripes is gonna do.
Should we
right guys, that's it. We have completed the inside and outside of this truck. We got this outside cleaned up thanks to the Stars and Stripes, and the interior was a pretty good amount of work.
But the inside was fun to do. We got that odor completely eliminated. Like Mikey said, that Stars and Stripes brought this out. We got a couple chips that you can still see, but other than that, it's nice gloss finish. Tires are done with tire shine. We had fun doing this one.
Yep.
And hopefully they'll have us back so we can get there. They got Tacoma. We can hit that. We can keep hitting this one. But we hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I guess we'll see you in the next video.